How you doing? My name is Vince, and I can sneeze on command as oftentimes as you like. It's always fun to do this and try to get a bless you out of people, strangers. So we'll do this. Let's see. We'll just give it an easy one. Ready? There's one. Would you like three? Okay. How about two? That's it. So I can do 4, 5, 6 in a row, 7 in a row. The reactions get bigger the more I do. Try to do it in public places and make bets with friends to see if people give a bless you or not. That's it. Thanks. Bye.